as algorithms because they transcend all algorithms, such as exalted spiritual experiences. What are the limits of algorithms in modeling humans? In particular, is it possible to model human psychology, emotions, and intuitions as algorithms? If all processes could, in principle, be modeled as algorithms, what would be the implications for free will and the nature of consciousness? How is rhythm or rita an important term used in the Rig Veda to refer to the patterns that comprise the fabric of all existence related to algorithms? Is rhythm related to algorithm? In the early 1970s, a subject of intense discussion was the investigation of a category of algorithms under the umbrella term of artificial intelligence, or AI. That is when I started out as a graduate student specializing in AI. The aim was to simply develop algorithms for activities like playing chess. At the time, the best computer program could only just beat an average human player. But that was then. It took a quarter of a century for the major milestone in 1997, when an IBM computer program named Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov, the reigning world chess champion. The rest, as they say, is history. My lifelong quest has been to understand the nature of intelligence, both natural and artificial, and how it plays out at various levels. To pursue this quest,